Hello everyone, welcome to Sareto's sewing workshop. If you are a beginner or you are interested in learning how to sew, here is the platform where we show you everything concerning tailoring. And in today's class, I will show us how to read the tape rule or the measuring tape. And if you like what we show you here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Press the notification bell so that you will be notified. You will be the first to see our video tutorials anytime we upload a new content as far as the sewing industry is concerned. All you have to do is to follow up step by step as we go. Thanks. So on the table, you can see that I have a diagram because I want to make everything clear to you. I will use this diagram to explain the measuring tape. So this is the tape rule. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These bold ones, from the beginning here to here is 1 inch. From here to here is another inch, 2 inches. From here to here is another inch, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches, 9 inches, and so on to the end. But in between the inches, you will see some mark. Those mark, they have what they are called. They are very important when it comes to measuring. So you must know these mark lines so that you will be acquainted with the language of a tailor, because you will need them when sewing and when measuring. So today, follow us carefully as we explain and make you understand this mark on the tape. Like now, this is the beginning. This is look at the diagram. This is the beginning of the tape rule. This is the beginning of my diagram. You can see, just like on the tape, from here to here is 1 inch. From here to here, 1 inch. In my diagram, here to here is 1 inch. Then these are the mark lines you will find on the tape. So, like from here to here, 1 inch. You see another small mark at the top, close to the 1 inch. You see the next one, you see the other one, you see the other one, the next, and the next. So let me show you. After this 1 inch line, the next line, this one here, only this line is 1/8. You can write it down. After the 1 inch, the first one is 1/8. The one next is quarter. The one next is 3/8. Then this other one that did not touch the bottom here is half. Then the one close to the half is 5/8. The one close to the 5/8 is 3/4. The one close to the 5/8 is 7/8. Then the next line that touches the bottom is 2 inches. So you can say from here to here 1 inch. Then from here to here 2 inches. So before the 1 inch, you have the beginning 0. The next line is 1/8. The next one is 1/4, 3/8, half an inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, before you get to 1 inch. So in tailoring terms, you might be asked to measure anything. Let's say measure it 1/4. You will measure from here to here 1 Then you measure to this point a quarter. From here to here, 1 inch. From here to here, a quarter. So you say this is a 1/4. You dey say measure the thing 1.5. You measure from the 0.30 here. You will pass 1/8, 1/4, 3/8 before you get to half. So you say from the beginning here to here is 1.5. Let's go again. From the beginning to this place is 1/8. From the beginning to here, the next one 1/4. From here to here, 1/3/8. From here to here, 1.5. From here to here, 1/5/8. From here to here, 1/3/4. From here to here, 1/7/8. From here to here is 2 inches. And so on. You can also say the next one after 2 inches, 2/1/8, 2/1. From here to here, 2/1/8, 2/1/4, 2/3/4, 2.5, 2/5/8, 2/3/4, 2/7/8, then 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. I hope you follow, you understand what I'm showing you here. So if you don't understand it, you can watch the video all over and all over and over and over. You can watch the video again and again until you get it, practice it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.